Hello friends, welcome to Free Current Affair. Today we discuss International Booker Prize 2021. Okay. Recently, David Diop wins International Booker Prize 2021. Okay. French novelist David Diop won the prestigious International Booker Prize for his book, translated into English with his novel At Night, All Blood is Black, set in World War I. Okay. Diop is the author of two novels and his translator Anna Moscovics received the £50,000, that is nearly equal to $70,850, which goes to the best author and translator of a work translated into English. The novel is narrated by Alpha Nadia, a Senegalese soldier fighting for the then imperial power France during World War I, and charts his descent into madness on the battlefield. Born in France and raised in Senegal, Diop teaches 18th century literature at the University of Pau in southern France. He is the first French author to win the prize, a counterpart to the prestigious Booker Prize for English language fiction. Okay. About Booker Prize. Okay, the International Booker Prize, formerly known as the Man Booker International Prize, has been awarded since 2005 when it was won by Albanian writer Ismail Kadri. It is a sister prize of the Booker Prize awarded to a novel written in English. Okay, there is a difference between Booker Prize and International Booker Prize. The International Booker Prize is awarded annually for a single book translated into English and published in the UK or Ireland, whereas Man Booker Prize was oriented in 1969 in Britain. Every year, one author is awarded for his or her novel English only. Earlier, the prize was conferred among the Commonwealth, Irish and Zimbabwean citizens, but later the rule was changed and given the opportunity to all English novels around the world. Okay, Indian author Arundhati Roy won the prize for her novel God of Small Things in 1997. Okay, there is three countries in this news. Okay, that is United Kingdom, France and Senegal. Okay, first we know about United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom made of England, Scotland, Wales and the Northern Ireland, each an Iceland nation. Okay, capital of UK is London, PM is Boris Johnson and currency is pound sterling. Okay, then second country is France. Okay, France, capital Paris, President Emmanuel Macron. Okay, then third is Senegal. Okay, Senegal is a country in West Africa. Okay, officially known as Republic of Senegal. Okay, capital Dakar, currency West African CFA franc, President Macky Sall, and language is French. Okay, thank you, Adam. If you like the content of this video, then kindly like, share and comment and subscribe Free Current Affair.